What it do, Chris crew? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am here to tell you guys about this pretty cute, amazing full lace wig that I'm wearing, and the wig is from WoWEbony. Okay, this is the kinky texture. I crimped it. It's really beautiful. I love it. I love it so much, so I want to share it with you guys. But before we get into the styling and applying of the wig, I want to show y'all what comes in the WoWEbony box, because they really do the damn thing. Okay, so in the box they give, well, that's the net that the wig was in. But so first we have a booklet just all about WoWEbony, like the CEO, info about the CEO, why customers prefer WoWEbony, featured products. It shows off a lot of the wigs and stuff like that. So I thought that was really dope and really professional. So that little book is in here. We have straps, like the little straps and combs. That's dope. It came with a wig cap, which matched perfectly. So I thought that was dope. Shout out to WoWEbony. Thank you. That wig cap. More bands, and also came with a scarf. Look at this scarf. So I'll be using this tonight because I want to lay these edges, okay? Because I'm wearing my hair like this tomorrow too. So I wanted to show y'all what was in the box. So I'm really happy with, you know, WoWEbony's customer service. Is pretty amazing, because not every hair company sends you a nice box like that when you order something from them. So I was really pleased with the package. Like I said, everything very professional, very nice, very clean, all of that. And I'm really happy with the hair. So I want to tell y'all a little bit about WoWEbony before I got into it, but now we are about to style it together. So if you guys are interested in seeing how we got these crimps and seeing the texture and seeing how I laid it down, then please keep watching. Also, guys, don't forget, all of the information about this wig will be in the description box. So go ahead and watch. Okay, guys, so first I wanted to get really close, first and foremost, so y'all could see me actually installing the wig. Y'all see the texture is really beautiful. Again, it's kinky. It's a kinky straight wig from WoWEbony. But yes, I have my cap on underneath, so I'm about to go ahead and glue this wig down. It comes in a really natural, like a nice, like natural looking lace. So I did not bleach the knots. I just put some like makeup on my cap, but I didn't bleach the knots on this wig. So I took 2 clips and put it back. Sorry if I'm too close. I just want y'all to be able to see it. I'll zoom out in a second. But right now I'm about to put the, well, I gotta cut the lace. But it is good to leave a little bit of lace for me. I don't know, some people might say something different, but I like to not get too close to the actual hair, just to leave like some lace for me to play with. But about to glue it down. So I'm gonna take the wig off to cut the lace off the back, but for right now, pluck a little more. I actually plucked it a lot. Okay, pull it back. All right, y'all, so my lovely camera decided to cut off right when I was gluing. But yeah. But y'all see it, it's glued down. Okay guys, so I went ahead and did baby hair. I actually like how they came out, and I just wanted to show y'all like the part and stuff. And yeah, I'm actually going to be styling this hair. I'm going to be crimping it. I'm going to do crimps all over. So yeah, I'm going to start doing that. I just wanted y'all to see the baby hair and let y'all know step by step what I'm doing. Obviously, I'm not going to, I'll fast forward some of it, but I wanted y'all to be able to see me do like a few crimps. So I'm taking like small sections of the hair and doing crimps. I love crimps. So I take the piece of hair, take my comb it, take my crimper, and first I go over the hair. And I just want to say that I learned that technique from Sochar. If y'all are looking for somebody to really help you and teach you like how to install your wigs and stuff like that, her name is Sochar, y'all. She, you know, she's lit. She does a really amazing job. I'm doing crimps. I'm doing crimps. I'm showing y'all how to get crimps. What time is it? 3:15. Gotta be really careful. This thing gets so hot. It's coming along. It's coming along. The crazy thing is I'm probably gonna have to leave out the house with like half done and half not done because I'm gonna have to get Everett from school. But I'll just come back and finish. Look guys, I'm making progress. So I have sprayed some of my Tresemme heat protectant and this WoWEbony Kinky straight, and I'm still crimping. So since we left off, I've left out. I had to go pick Everett up because you know I can't leave my child even though I'm filming. So I went to go pick Everett up. We're back in the house and I'm still crimping. But you see, we're moving along in this process here. See, this side is this side is still kinky straight. This side is kinky crimp, and we're just going to keep crimping. I'm taking smaller pieces. Well, not super small, but not super big, you know? Like this one, I'm going to split in two. So, pew. Taking a crimper, going over the piece, then holding it and crimping, and crimping, and crimping, and crimping, and crimping. Y'all see them crimps? Do y'all see the crimps though? What? What? Y'all see? I'm gonna let y'all see me do this one. All right, we're back in business. Okay, now I need to get back crimping. It definitely has that smell as I'm crimping. Y'all know what, like that, just that hair salon smell. When Jay walked in, he said it smelled like the hair salon. He didn't say it smelled bad. Y'all know. You know like that, just when you like burnt hair smell kind of. Y'all, it get dark at like 4 or something now. Like, everybody knows I'm not the biggest fan of winter. It gets dark earlier and it's so cold. I hate being cold. I hate it. All right, Chris Crew. Look how much progress I've made, y'all. I'm finally in the middle. I got my hot comb, but it doesn't reach really far. I'm just trying to get it somewhat flat. I think that'll do. I really think this hair is amazing. Like, I really love the texture. Like, WoWEbony, this is a bomb ass wig. Like, I'm wowed. I'm floored. I really love it. I love how the like baby hairs look.
It's so good when we make love. All my answers are granted. Talking about leaving me, you ain't gone yet. And if you leave correct. And I'ma send a jet to pick up the next. And if you leave in the best.
Alright guys, so we are like on our final crimp. I'm so excited. I think it came out really cute, really good. Really, really good. I definitely love this hair. I know I've said it already, but I love the hair. I would highly recommend it. You guys, I'll have all of the information in my description box as always. As always. Again, I mentioned her earlier, but there's another YouTuber. Her name is Soshar. She does hair videos, and she said this look was inspired by Amor Jada. And then I was inspired by her. So I guess this is an Amor Jada Soshar inspired look. Even though y'all know I love the half up, half down. That's like my signature. But still, I was very inspired to do the crimps. And I was so happy that I already had the crimper. I already had it, but I wasn't sure what I was going to do with this texture of hair. So shout out to Soshar. Shout out to Amor Jada too. But yes, y'all. You guys, this is the final look. I hope that you love it as much as I do. Again, this is a full lace wig from WoWEbony. It is 22 inches. It's a #1. I got a medium cap size and the density is 150. I'll have all of that information in the description box as I always do. As always, you guys be nice to each other, but most importantly, be nice to yourselves. Let me know what you think about the wig. Let me know if y'all like it. Let me know if y'all like how I slayed it. You know, let me know what y'all think about it. Let me stand up. Well, first let me get close. And then let me back up. So yeah, let me know what y'all think. I love you guys, and I will see y'all in my next video.